Local Women's Health Office is continuing to get dozens of calls from women who are pregnant after certain fruits are linked to an outbreak of a common bacteria. Medical reporter Liz Bonis asked the experts what we all need to know about this in today's Medical Edge.
It is not unusual for Dr. Bill Schnettler to get a lot of questions from many moms he sees each day expecting a baby. But when recent headlines hit that the bacteria known as Listeria was spreading across the country in foods it's not usually found, mainly pitted fruits such as peaches and plums and nectarines, the phones in his office.
Thank you for calling Tri-State Maternal-Fetal Medicine. This is Kristen. How can I help you?
We had about 2 dozen to 3 dozen calls per day last week and into early this week.
Listeria is a common bacteria. It's found in many foods such as deli meats, and most of us can fight it off. We don't get sick from it if we eat it. However,
we worry about pregnant women that have a little bit of a decreased immunity due to pregnancy that specifically in the 3rd trimester will potentially be more likely to get very sick or pass that sickness on to their fetus.
So here's what he told me he wants all who are pregnant to know. First off, the outbreak started in June, so...
And if you had eaten anything in that time frame, June until now, that be aware of symptoms, be aware of fever, be aware of back pain.
Since those are common symptoms of pregnancy, I also had to ask him about the timing then of potential symptoms if you think you may have had contaminated food.
Typically they are on a course of about 1 to 2 weeks after ingestion. However, it can be up to 90 days. And so that's why we're still potentially in that scare.
He says if you are pregnant and have eaten these foods in that time frame.
And we were telling our patients, as long as you don't have symptoms and you don't feel any different than you did before you ate the peach, you're okay.
At Tri-State Maternal-Fetal Medicine, a practice of Tri-Health, Liz Bonis, Local 12 News.
As always, we invite your questions for providers at Tri-Health. Just go to local12.com and click on Ask the Expert.